Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on keyboard typing sound on Realme 16 Pro 5G. So let's start. So when I open my keyboard, you can see it's now opened, and when I type, you can't hear the keyboard typing sound. So if you want to turn it on, just follow this tutorial, okay? So let me delete this message first. It's now deleted. Let me go back. Let me close this app. Okay, so just open your settings app and then scroll down to system and update and then tap on it, and then tap on input method and then tap on manage keyboards, and then we have to tap on Gboard because this is the default keyboard on this phone. Okay, so let me tap on it and then tap on preferences and then scroll down to a key tap this section, and in this section you can see here we have sound play when tapping keys. So we have to turn it on. So to turn it on, just tap on this toggle button. Let me tap on it. You can see it's now turned on. Also you can increase or decrease volume as per your choice. So this much is fine for me, 36%. And after you're done with your selection, just tap on OK button. You can see it's now set. And now when I open my keyboard, you can see it's now opened. And when I type, you can hear the keyboard typing sound. So that's it. It's now done. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.